Hello everyone. If your plants are struggling with pests like aphids, spider mites or whiteflies or fungal issues like powdery mildew, this video is for you. Today I am showing you exactly how to make and use neem oil spray, a powerful natural organic solution that has been trusted for centuries. When you spray neem oil, it suffocates them and kills them. Neem oil repels insects and stop them from feeding, disrupts their life cycle so they can't reproduce. You will need 100% pure cold pressed neem oil, mild liquid dish washing soap, warm water, and a spray bottle. Simple ready to use recipe for 1 liter. 1.5 teaspoons neem oil, half to 1 teaspoon mild soap, 1 liter warm water. Step 1. Fill your spray bottle with warm water. Step 2. Slowly add the neem oil. Step 3. Add the dish soap and shake well. Adding soap helps the oil mix with the water. Step 4. Shake the bottle vigorously for 20-30 seconds until the mixture looks milky. Use it within 8 hours. Here is how to apply it for best results. Shake well before every use. Spray in the evening or on cloudy days. Never spray in hot sunlight as it can burn leaves. Thoroughly spray on tops and undersides of leaves, stems and buds. For active pest problems, spray every 3 to 7 days for 2 to 3 weeks. For prevention, use every 1 to 2 weeks. If you don't have neem oil, you can use neem leaves. Take some neem leaves and boil it in water. Use this water instead of neem oil. You can use neem oil as a soil drench to manage and treat root issues. It does not affect earthworms in soil. To use it as a soil drench, pour some diluted solution on the soil. Avoid heavy rain or watering right after pouring so it stays effective. The neem oil spray can be used to shine leaves of indoor plants like rubber plant. Spray on leaves and wipe with a soft cloth. This will not only shine the leaves but also protect them from insects. Important tips and precautions. Always use the recipe as shown here. Concentrated neem oil can damage leaves. Test on a small area first, especially on delicate or new plants. Repeat the neem oil spray after 3 to 7 days. Avoid using on stress plants. Wear gloves and avoid inhaling mist. Keep away from fish and water sources. Neem oil breaks down quickly, so do not mix more than a single application. Neem oil spray is one of the most effective natural tools for healthy plants. Try it out and watch your garden thrive. Comment below what pests are you dealing with. I would love to hear your results. If this video helped, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more gardening tutorials. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening!